In this video, you will add word art to your promotional flyer. Word art is a tool you can use to change the appearance of text. Word art transforms basic text into a combination of text and art. It can help your flyer catch a viewer's attention. To begin, sign into your Google account and open your flyer. Your flyer may already have all of the information you want to include. You can use word art to replace some of the current text. Choose a word or phrase that you want to emphasize. Using word art for the text will set it apart from the rest of the text and make it more memorable. Then, add the text as word art. Remove the original text if you're replacing it. Move the word art to the place in your flyer where you would like it to appear. Adjust the size of your word art. It may be larger than the text around it, but you should still be able to easily read the other text. Then, format your word art like you would with regular text. You can change the font and color of the word art to emphasize it. You may want to use a color that closely matches another color in your flyer. You can add and format a border to outline the letters and make them stand out more from the background. And you can change the font style to add even more emphasis. Now it's your turn. Open your promotional flyer, add word art, and resize and format your word art.